My name is Investigator Victoria Crosby. I'm with the Clarksville Police Department. I'm on the fatal crash team. I'm also a child passenger safety instructor. A lot of parents think that their car seats are installed correctly, but in reality, about 45% of them are wrong. And we actually are going to show you real quick how to do a rear-facing convertible using the seatbelt. So if you want to follow me. This is one of our technicians as well. She's going to show you using a seatbelt how to put in a rear-facing convertible car seat. So the first thing she's going to do is she's going to route the seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path. It's important to make sure you get the correct belt path because there are two on a convertible car seat, and specifically right there on the sticker it says rear-facing. All right, so she's going to buckle it in, making sure that she does not get the seatbelt twisted up or anything, and then she's going to pull really tight on that shoulder strap while keeping the recline angle nice and correct. So she pull, and then she's going to lock the seatbelt whenever she's got it tight enough. All right, and then she's going to check for tightness whenever she's good. All right, so you check for tightness at the belt path. You're going to grab and make sure it moves less than 1 inch side to side and front to back on the car seat itself. All right, and then so now we're going to go over how to harness a baby in there. We have a teddy bear today who will be our baby. So the first thing we make sure is that the harness height looks correct. On a rear-facing car seat, you want the harness height to be right at or just below the shoulders. So you put the harness over the baby, go ahead and buckle them up. Make sure all the things are buckled. And you notice the straps are still super loose. So what she's going to do is adjust it down to this baby's size while making sure it doesn't go up on the neck. So the important thing is once you tighten it down, you want to make sure it's secure enough and snug enough to where you can't pinch the fabric on the shoulders. If you're able to pinch it vertically, then it's too loose. You got to tighten it up a little bit more. And that chest clip has always got to be at armpit level. After you do your checks, everybody's good to go.